Hi, and welcome back. Today we're tackling a question that comes up a lot. What's the difference between an MCB and an SPD? They both protect your electrical system, but they handle completely different threats. Think of it like a defense team. You need different players for different attacks. First up is the MCB, the miniature circuit breaker. This is your system's Overcurrent Defender, and it's the standard you find in virtually every modern electrical panel. What it protects against? The MCB protects against overcurrents, which come in two flavors. Number one is overloads, when you plug too many devices into a circuit, drawing more amps than the wiring is safely rated for. This causes wires to heat up, which is a fire risk. And number two, short circuits, when current bypasses its normal path, causing a massive, instantaneous surge in amps. How it works? When the current exceeds the MCB's rated limit, it automatically trips or switches off, breaking the circuit and stopping the flow of electricity to prevent the wires from overheating and catching fire. MCBs protect the wiring and the installation from fire. Now let's talk about the SPD, the surge protection device. This is your system's voltage spike interceptor, and it protects your sensitive electronics. What it protects against? The SPD protects against transient overvoltages, or what we commonly call surges or spikes. These are extremely short, very powerful bursts of high volts. They can be caused by external factors like lightning strikes near power lines, or internal factors like motors or large appliances turning on and off. How it works? Under normal conditions, the SPD is inactive. When a voltage spike occurs, the device instantly diverts the excess surge energy to the ground, limiting the voltage that reaches your equipment. SPDs protect your appliances and electronic devices from instant damage or gradual degradation due to high voltage spikes. An SPD does not trip like an MCB. It redirects the harmful energy. Here's the critical part. An MCB cannot replace an SPD, and an SPD cannot replace an MCB. You need the MCB for everyday safety against overloads and short circuits. And you need the SPD to guard your valuable electronics against those super-fast, high-voltage spikes that the MCB just isn't designed to catch. For total electrical peace of mind, they work as a team. Hope you understand the difference now. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and check out the video description for more resources. See you next time.